Whoa, the aroma, guys, the aroma. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click that button below, click that bell background below to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So my channel's name is Simply Natural. I do a food recipe, mukbang, chit chat, vlog, and natural hair videos. And in today's video is going to be a cooking recipe, and I'm so excited for this cooking recipe. If you saw my upload video of unpacking things from Nigeria, you know that this soup is about to be lit. Like, I am so excited. I'm going to be making Igbo soup. Like, I'm going to making oha soup. Some people call it ora soup, oha soup, whichever one you call it is okay. It's still the same thing. So I'm going to be making oha soup. I can't wait, guys. I've been dying to make this soup like since the day I unpacked those things, but being that I don't have time, I unpacked the stuff on Thursday, and I didn't have time on Friday to cook the soup. So I am dying to cook the soup and eat the soup. So guys, come on board to my kitchen. Let me introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I hope you are. And some of you have been asking me, do oha soup, do oha. I didn't do it because it's hard to find oha here. You know, you can find it, but sometimes you can't. And you know, and being that I was waiting to get it from Nigeria, so I decided to wait. Anyway, today is the day. God is going to answer your prayer if you have been waiting for the oha soup recipe. So come on board, let's go and get started. So guys, these are my ingredients. So I will start with this. This is my uziza leaf. When you're cooking oha, you need oha leaf and you need uziza leaf. But when you don't have uziza leaf, you can use uziza seed. Some people have the seeds. You can dry the seed and bring it over. It's easier to bring than the leaf. So I have uziza leaf and I have my oha leaf. I'll be showing this one. I'm putting it in the pot because I just took it out from the fridge. Now I will, you know, wash them and then put them, although I have washed them before I put them in the fridge, but I'll wash them again. And for my thickener, I'll be using achi. If you're thickening soup, you can use achi, you can use cocoyam, but sometimes if I don't have all this, I use oat, you know, but I'm using achi today. And the one thing you need in any Igbo soup is Ogiri Igbo. Guys, I have been missing this Ogiri Igbo for long. I have not used Ogiri Igbo for long. That is one thing that makes that Igbo soup popping and smelling like Igbo soup. So I'll cover that because it's already smelling all over the place. And this is my crayfish. I have salt here and I have Maggi. This is my palm oil, and here I left this like this. This dry pepper is very like, if you open it, I opened it when I was pouring it inside here. Hey, my children were coughing. It's very spicy. You can smell it. So I'll just, if I take the one if I take the one I'm using to cook the soup, I'll tie it up because I don't want to leave it without tying it up because it goes to your nose. And this is my dry fish as well. So let's move over here. So guys, in this pot I have stock fish, yeah, and the most important thing I'm cooking this soup with is goat meat, guys. goat meat is so tasty in Igbo soup. Like, it's so tasty. So one of my subscribers, let me shout out to her, thank you. One of my subscribers left me a message in my noodles and chicken feet video, and she told me, oh, the shop, you know, the shop that I went to find crab or lobster, that shop has goat meat. My dear, I run down. She said they have goat meat with skin, and I ran down to get myself some. So that is goat meat, the one that have the skin on it. And I have my turkey gizzard as well here. So I am going to start cooking my meat. So I'll put the stove on. I'll go wash my hand, and also I have big onions. The onions, I just wanted to boil the meat and take the onions out of the meat. I don't need the onions for cooking the soup. Just use it and boil the meat, and I'll take it out. So I'll move that on the far side. So I have moved that on the far side of the burner. Let me go wash my hand, then I'll start adding ingredients in it. The only ingredients that I'm going to be adding in this soup is only salt and Maggi. Like, I want to keep it as local as possible. I don't want to add any other seasoning. So that is my salt. I will add my salt, and I will add 2 Maggi to it. So I'm adding my 2 Maggi. So basically, I am going to cover this meat and leave it alone to at least boil for 30 minutes and get soft first before I start adding the ingredients. So guys, it has been boiling now for about 10 minutes, but I noticed that the water is not there at all, so I am going to add water because I don't want it to start burning. So I'm going to add water, and I'll cover it to keep boiling. So guys, I am going to take out the onions because this is as far as they go now. I don't want them melting inside the soup. I don't need them for the actual soup. Just to, you know, avoid the meat. And this meat has been boiling for 20 minutes. I tried touching the goat. They are still a bit hard, so I'm going to give them another 10 to 15 as well, and then we'll start cooking our soup. So trying to take out all these onions because I don't want to see any onions in this soup. So I've taken them out. I will add a little more water to it. So I'll add another water, and then I will cover and let it keep boiling. So guys, it is time to start adding our ingredients. So that is the pot of meat. I want to add a little bit of water because I want this soup to be, you know, a little bit. I might add 1.5 spoons of this because it's too big. So I've added 1.5 spoons, and I am going to mix it with water. So I'm going to add water in here, and I'm going to mix it a bit with water before I add it in the soup. I'm going to add a little more water. So it is mixed very well now. I'm going to add it in the soup. So we move back to our soup, and I am going to I'm going to add my Achi thickener in there. My Achi thickener. Okay. I'm going to add my crayfish. I'm going to add my dry chili. So I'm going to add 2 of this dry chili. I'm scared of this dry chili because it smells. Just add one. I'll add one for now because this chili, you can smell it from a mile away. And I will add my ogiri. I'll add my ogiri. Okay, that is my ogiri added. I will add my palm oil. And guys, I will cover that and let it boil for like 10 minutes. Oh, sorry. And I will add my fish. So I've been soaking it in hot water. So I'll add it in there, but I will be turning this soup very gently because I don't want it to break. So now I will cover the pot and let it boil for like 10 minutes. So guys, this is after 10 minutes and you can see my soup is thickened. Guys, do not add, if you're using the Achi, do not add too much of it because look at that one that I added. It thickens very well. Okay, so now I am going to add my uziza leaf, guys. This is it. I have cut it. Okay, I'm going to add it inside here. Oh, I'm splashing it all over the place. Okay, now I am going to taste and see if I need to add Maggi. I only added 2 Maggi at the beginning. Yeah, I need to add Maggi. So I will add, oh, that pepper is very spicy, guys. Thank God I only added 1 scoop. So I will add 2 Maggi. I might just add a tiny bit of water. So I added a tiny bit of water in this. Okay, I'm going to cover it for another 5 or 10 minutes. The Maggi, I can taste the Maggi now. Okay. Oh my God, guys, you can smell this aroma from mile away, guys, because of the Ogiri Igbo. Hey, all my neighbors, they will know there is something going on in this my kitchen today because you can smell the ogiri. Oh, it tastes so yummy, guys. I can't wait to dive in. This is correct Igbo soup. So guys, now I'm going to add my oha. I have washed it. I'm trying to squeeze out all the excess water in it. I wish I could have cooked it the day it arrived, but I didn't have time. I would have loved to cook it fresh. But nevertheless, guys, this my soup is tasting so good. So I have added the oha inside there. Hey, ebe ka akpụ dị o. Unu butelu m akpụ ka m wee lie nni a. So guys, after 5 minutes and our oha soup is ready. It is ready. Whoa, the aroma, guys, the aroma is to die for inside this kitchen. Tastes so yummy, guys. Tastes so yummy. So yeah. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. Guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end though, before I lick my finger here. Hey! Can you see what I'm seeing? Hey, that pot of soup is glorious. It is absolutely glorious. I'm going to take it out from the stove. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Honestly, I can't wait to get on with the eating part of this video because that soup right there, Jesus Christ, I can't remember the last time I used Ogiri Igbo in Igbo soup. Like, I haven't used it for long now, so it is smelling fantastic in here. Like, the aroma in here is honestly to die for. Not even a joke. I know I say that all the time, but this one is not even a joke. It's honestly to die for. So I can't wait to pounce on it and enjoy myself. So guys, this is where I'm going to end today's recipe. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Peace out. Mwah.